these are the modifications I made to the main.lua file in order to create an AI controlled paddle. The first thing you'll notice is that there's a game state called play. So the two conditions are, if it's play, then you check to see where the paddle is in correlation with the ball. If it's not play, then the paddle stays still. So the way that this AI works is that it basically tries to make sure that the ball is within the paddle along the y-axis. So it'll always try to have the ball within its height. So this if statement checks to see that the top edge and bottom edge of the ball are within the paddle. So if this is not true, then you have these two else ifs that actually cause the paddle to move. So the first thing you'll see in the first else if is player1.y is greater than ball.y plus ball.height. What this basically means is the top of the paddle, if it's greater than the bottom of the ball, then the paddle will go up. The reason being that the y-axis is inverted, so negative numbers are on top. So if the paddle is greater, that actually means it's below the ball. So putting a negative speed actually means it goes up instead of down. And then for the next else if, it's basically just the opposite. So if player1.y plus player1.height, so that basically means the bottom line of the paddle. If it's less than the top of the ball, that basically means it's on top of the ball. So then you have a positive speed to cause it to go down. And it keeps going down until this statement becomes true. And then it stays still. Of course, the ball is in constant movement, so this is always going to be updating. Once there's a score, or before the next serve, or once the game's actually finished, all of those states are considered not the play state, so that's why there's the else, and it'll just stay still. Otherwise, the paddle would continue trying to follow the ball, even though it's no longer in motion or even in play. This comment right here was from before. I didn't actually change that. The only thing I changed was right here, player 2 had the basic way to cause you, the player, like allowing the player to move the paddle. So I deleted that and put this so that it could be a paddle that is controlled by itself. I've already run the game and I have it open right here. So player 1 is the left paddle and I will be controlling the right paddle. So you can see that even when the ball is on my side, the paddle continues to try to follow it. So I know that there are several different ways that someone could do this, an AI controlled paddle, but I just felt it was easier to have the paddle constantly follow the ball. Alright, and you can see I've run this on the command prompt, which is what allowed me to. So I'll close this, just so you know I'm telling the truth. I've already had it typed. I press enter, and it opened up again. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a good day.